my dear bartenders, welcome back to the next session. We will learn back pass in this session. It is very important and basic flair move. It will take around 20 minutes to learn this move completely. We can make this move in two variations, straight catch and reverse catch. We can perform this move with bottle, tin and many more. Equipment should be readily available and it should not be wet while using. Now I am going to show the move, back pass. First we need to grab the straight and just lift your right hand above the shoulder, drop it and catch behind the back, like this. Just we need to drop from here and catch behind the back. While doing this move, just balance with your body while catching. See how I am doing. Just little bending forward and I am catching. In this step, we need to have eye contact on the shaker, not at the back, like this. Observe from here and grab it back, like this. Now I will show you how left hand position looks at back side. Just we need to take it straight like this. Thumb should be at back side and grab. Keep like your hand like this and drop and catch. Drop and catch. Drop and catch. Same like with right hand also. Now I will show you same step with same hand. Grab the shaker at right hand, lift above the left hand shoulder and drop and catch with same hand. Like this. Now I will show you same step how to grab at back side. Lift above the shoulder and drop and catch like this way. Grab. Lift and catch. Sorry, drop and catch. Drop and catch. With left hand also same. Lift above the shoulder, right side above the shoulder and drop and catch. Drop and catch. This is called same and back pass without flip. Now I am showing same step with bottle. We need to grab it body and lift your right hand above the shoulder, drop and catch. Drop and catch. Same like what we done with shaker, we need to do with bottle also. But make sure we need to grab it backside body only. Like this. Now I am showing you same step with same hand with bottle. Right to right and left to left. Right to right, right to right, left to left. Now I will show you same step from back side. Right to right and left to left.
Thank you.